path.read_text doesn't throw an error on non-UTF-8 files. It just silently mangles or drops characters, causing hard-to-debug issues. Here's exactly why and how to fix it in one line. Imports the path class from the pathlib module to provide object-oriented file system path manipulation capabilities, enabling high-level operations like writing bytes and reading text with automatic encoding detection. Imports the tempfile module to generate secure temporary files and directories, which is essential for safe testing without creating persistent artifacts in the file system. Imports the OS module to interface with the operating system, though in this snippet it is imported but never actually used in the remaining lines. Calls tempfile.mktemp with a suffix of .bin to generate a unique temporary file name, then wraps it in a path object to produce a path instance pointing to that location for use in file operations. Writes the exact byte sequence b /x_f/x48/x65/x6c/x6c/x6f to the file referenced by test_file using write_bytes, which performs a binary write without any encoding transformation. Outputs the string using read_text to standard output to indicate the start of the first attempt to read the file using the default text reading behavior. Starts a try block to safely attempt reading the file as text, allowing graceful handling of any encoding-related exceptions that may occur due to the presence of non-text byte sequences. Calls read_text on the test_file path object using default parameters, meaning it will attempt to infer encoding and raise an exception if the bytes cannot be decoded according to the system default encoding, which typically does not recognize the UTF-8 BOM without explicit configuration. Catches any exception raised during the read_text call, storing the exception object in variable E for inspection and reporting. Outputs a formatted error message containing the exception description to standard output, revealing why the default text reading approach failed for this file content. Outputs the string using safe open to standard output to introduce the second attempt that explicitly specifies safe decoding behavior. Calls read_text with encoding set to UTF-8 and errors set to replace, instructing Python to decode using UTF-8 and substitute undecodable bytes with the Unicode replacement character U plus FFFD. Deletes the temporary file referenced by test_file using the unlink method, ensuring no residual files remain in the file system after the test completes. Always use encoding equals UTF-8, errors equals replace when reading arbitrary text. Never trust path.read_text for external data. Subscribe for daily coding videos to avoid silent bugs.